With the new year just around the corner, a lot of families are looking for ways to start 2024 feeling financially sound. Pfanstiel with Axias Wealth Advisors is here with some tips to help you get the new year off on a good start. So glad that you're here today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And we're really like in the throes of holiday spending and holiday gathering. So what should families do to get a good plan together now to get through the end of the year and into the new year?
I think it starts with getting organized, right?
Yeah.
Having a list of what are your assets, what are your debts, your incomes, your expenses, your insurances. And if you can really look through that, as well as what your big expenses are for next year, then you can start to develop a plan for how you're gonna either pay things down or start accumulating for your goals.
Yeah, it's expensive. So where do you find that balance, and how do you set goals for, the new year?
So for every family, it's gonna be a little bit different. I want families to focus on the most urgent things. So if a family's under or uninsured, get that addressed first, because a problem could become a catastrophe financially. And then, if there's a credit card that's at 25 or whatever %, we have to force ourselves to find the capacity to pay that down and get rid of it. And then it's the longer term goals that are still critical, maybe just not quite as urgent or emergent.
Because I do feel like a lot of middle class families just feel like they can't get ahead. And with interest rates the way that they are, I think it becomes harder not only to pay down those debts, but also to save for your future, which is equally as important.
Absolutely. And for most families, they'll turn on the news, they'll hear about inflation, they'll see inflation, and they gravitate towards that's the absolute reason that they can't get ahead.
Yeah.
And their perception becomes their reality. It just is what it is. However, if we really force them to look inside and find the strength to eliminate a few bills or get strategic about how we're going to manage those, then there probably is a way to make headway on paying down your debt or saving for the future. It's very convenient to take that macro problem and make it the reason you will do nothing. And folks need to have the drive to overcome that.
There's a lot of new things happening in the new year for people, new jobs, and maybe wanting to move into a bigger home. So the housing market, it is tough. So, do you have any advice for someone that's maybe moving into maybe a new home for the new year, or even just selling, anything?
Absolutely. So when we're moving into a house, or we have clients that are focused on that move, I want them to, and they're all probably already doing the first step. I want them to go on Zillow, and they already probably have 35 houses saved. Let's call it what it is.
We all do.
Even folks that aren't moving have those houses saved. But go on there and then meet with their loan originator, meet with their banker who's doing the mortgage, and get a map of what that transaction is going to look like. When you're in the middle of underwriting, they give that to you anyway as a requirement. Get that ahead of time. And if you know your payment's going to be this many dollars, and your housing payment today is only this many, budget now, take that difference and put it towards an account that's maybe your cash to close or some of the moving expenses. But simulate living in that house financially ahead of time.
Right. What does that look like for you?
And if it's impossible, if you can't fit it in, boy, it's better to find that out
before you make that decision. Chris, I think a lot of people are nervous or apprehensive to approach a financial or a wealth advisor, but you have something that you're offering now that maybe if you don't have that wealth yet, but you really need to get your finances in order. Tell us about this new program that Axias is offering.
Yeah, so Axias, we launched something called Axias Advisors. So it's a landing page on our website just about that, but what Axias Advisors does is it takes any wealth management or commission or fee out. It just becomes a subscription-based advice service. So if you need help doing your benefit enrollment or handling your student loans or whatever that problem is, but you're scared to meet with an advisor for your first time, our CFPs are available. We're going to be on call. We'll man the call line, and we're here to help navigate and map those decisions out. And even for folks just starting out, it could be a great holiday gift.
That's what you said. And there are 2 different price points, so it's affordable if you want to get this for someone through the year.
So making decisions, I mean, it's hard, especially if you have, maybe a kid going to college, you have this big sum, but then you also want to save for retirement, so you have to put this big sum here. How do you choose one?
I prioritize retirement, not as a personal value. I think education is extremely important. But a lot of retirement accounts let you access some of the money or borrow some if you need to get to them for tuition. And tuition accounts have a cap on like $35,000 that could move towards retirement eventually. And so if I had to pick between one or the other, there's a little gateway out of the retirement ones that can make them be multi-purpose. Also, federal government is there to support college. You can get aid or assistance, you can get federal student loans.
Right.
Other than your Social Security check, there's not a retirement federal loan. So I think being personally stable and then investing in your children is the best protocol.
All right. Wealth information to get us into the next year. Thank you so much, Chris.
My pleasure.
Always
Thank you.
good stuff. And to learn more about Axias Wealth Advisors and find out how they can help you achieve financial success, you can head to our website, kdka.com/talkpittsburgh for more information.